Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, iPod adapter, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.